Wondering how our rent-to-own program works? First things first though, our houses are leased with the option to purchase, which means they are not straight rentals. You will purchase the home sometime during the lease period. Our goal is to help you become a homeowner. Our three-step process is easy to follow and will have you in a home sooner than you think. Although we would love to put you into a house today, we want to make sure that we are setting you up for success. That means that the very first step is to apply for a financial review by our expert mortgage professionals. Let us explain why this is important for us and moreover, important for you. We need to know how much of a house you can afford or your price point. Our experts let us know what your price point is so that we don't put you into a house that is more than you can afford. This would be setting you up for failure. We will not do that. The other thing our financial experts do is determine what credit repair, if any, is needed. This may be obtaining a couple secure credit cards to boost your score, removing old debt from your record, setting up a plan to pay down existing debt. We can even help business owners that show little or no W-2 income. You will need to enter in a credit repair program to show us you are willing to take the necessary steps to improve your credit to qualify for a mortgage. These two are the most important steps taken to become a successful homeowner. The last step in the process is the most exciting, choosing one of our homes to move into and grow your family. Once you choose a home from our inventory, you will need to pay the option fee and first month's lease payment prior to move-in. Let me explain. There are a few terms that require explanation: option price, option fee, and lease payment. The option price is the total price or sale price that you will pay for the house after you repaired your credit and go to closing on the house. The price is locked in at the start of the lease period and is the amount you will pay for the house when you qualify for financing. The option fee, normally referred to as a down payment, is a fee that you pay for the right to purchase the house during the lease period. In a traditional home buying transaction, the mortgage company will require as much as 20% of the sale price as a down payment. In our lease purchase program, you only pay 4 to 5% of the option price or sale price as your down payment. The option fee is collected up front prior to move-in. This is done for a couple of reasons. First, we need to know that you are serious about purchasing the home, not just renting it. Secondly, the mortgage company will see that you have already paid your down payment and will look at this positively when determining eligibility for the mortgage. This means that even though it is a substantial sum of money, you will only need to pay it once and will only have to save up for closing costs at the time of purchase. Last is the lease payment or rent payment. You will notice this amount is a little higher than normal rent for the area of the home. This is because the lease amount is calculated to be approximately the same as the amount that your mortgage payment will be at the time of purchase, with property tax and mortgage insurance included. This again is set up for your success, as the mortgage company will see that you have been consistently and on time paying the same amount as the mortgage payments will be. This will also increase your chances of qualifying for the mortgage. So, in summary, here are our 3 steps to home ownership. Step 1, apply for a financial review. Step 2, enter into a credit repair program and have a clear path forward. Step 3, move into a beautiful home and live there while you're getting qualified for a mortgage. Then close and never have to move again. To start your journey to home ownership, you must take the next step.